That's fine.
Holy smokes.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, I need 4 more.
I'm about to
Okay.
butcher this.
How about, okay, so,
Okay, so,
Oh my god.
That just
Yeah.
happened. That just happened.
well, that just happened.
He was released the same day?
I already got Wowzers. I already
Oh my
got.
god,
Never
what?
in my 15 years of teaching, have I ever had a
My
class with
15 years of teaching.
Why wasn't he sent to Alligator Alcatraz, brother?
that. Bro, apparently that's
What?
gonna, like, shut down because it, like.
Okay,
it's-
there's this post I'm reading that covers a sensitive topic. There's this guy, Tom Artyom Alexandrovich. Okay, this guy. Okay, should I don't know, should I just type it in chat and like spoiler it?
Probably because I just beat it.
No.
Oh, GG. I'll just type it in chat and spoiler it.
6, 7.
Oh.
Sorry.
Copy.